Alright, so I kind of recorded a whole video without really,
recording.
yeah, I didn't record anything. So we've been driving for about 20 minutes. Damn, now I guess basically I gotta start all over. It's Easter Sunday, so I hope you guys are enjoying your Easter. What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming at you guys with the same video that I gotta freaking do over again because I effed up and didn't hit record. But anyways, we're on the way home. We're actually heading back from my family's house. But first things first that I want to talk about is the last video. I know there's like a lot of controversy basically in the comments saying that I'm riding too much E or I'm using too much ethanol for E85. The fuel system and everything cannot handle it. Dial that back a little bit just because I know I didn't talk about this in the video, and the reason why I didn't is because I didn't really think it was going to catch as much attention as it did. But I know what I said when I'm running E85 that I'm running about, what did I say, like E40, E50? Just to kind of give you guys like a little heads up, and I'm going to put it on the screen here too. My tune is good for E30 to E40. Like that's what it's recommended to use for the best performance. I believe that's exactly what it says on the website. And to kind of bring back the last video of what I said about E50, the most ethanol that I've put in the Type R is E46, and that was literally the last tank that I had. I don't measure it when I fill it up. I kind of just guesstimate a little bit. Sorry, I kind of just overshot it a tiny bit, and I guess that is my bad, I guess. But I don't really think E46 to E40 is gonna make that much of a difference in terms of everything itself. So E46 is the most that I've ran. I don't go over E50. I never have. And I've never gone over E46, probably E45 itself. So my range is going from E35 to about E40 is what I guesstimate. I only run E85 75% of the time. I don't use it 100%. I don't, you know what I'm saying? Like I fill it up when it's convenient for me and when I can. I don't 100% go out of my way to go get E85. If it's there, kind of it's there. But if it's not, then I'm not really bitching about it or gonna complain about it. I'm gonna use what I have, you know. And if I want to have a little fun with the car, then yeah. And they're racing right there. Wow, slow boys. Anyways, oh look,
Hey,
there's an SI.
Fast boy. I don't know about the other ones, but
Like I said, just kind of dial it back because the E46 is the highest that I've gone, and it was literally on the tank that is in the car now. And even now the car is 491, so that just kind of gives you guys like a little, I guess, like explanation of kind of what happened, because I know I'm getting a lot of backlash for running too much E and having too much power and this and that. And to kind of date back, I don't know if you guys remember this video, and I put it in the last video as well, is when the reservoir actually cracked. So if you guys watched that video, then you guys know exactly where it cracked at. But if you guys did not, then I'm gonna go ahead and explain it for you guys. On the car, there's about two, there's like a top piece and a bottom piece where they kind of put them on together and they kind of glue it shut. The crack was in between where the two pieces meet at the same time. And do I feel like that's my fault? No. Just to kind of reiterate, on that day that it exactly happened at, the car was, or it was hot that day. The car was probably overheating because one, it was hot. We were driving it a lot. You know, like the crack could have been there prior to it, but I just never really noticed it. Is it really user error? It is kind of my fault because I'm not running an intercooler on it. Yes, I do have one now. It's actually in the garage currently, so I'm gonna put that on as soon as I get the car back. But also I'm gonna try to get like a billet reservoir tank so I don't have to have that issue again, because I don't want to deal with that, another head gasket. So the car is currently at the shop. It's at VCD shop. If you guys don't know who VCD is, he is a shop in SoCal, right in kind of like the Los Angeles County area. So if you guys are from this area or kind of somewhat close to here, you guys can hit him up, get some installs done for him. He does installs, you know, motor builds and all that kind of cool stuff. So if you guys need anything done from him, it'll be on the Instagram right here. It'll be the link down below. Just shoot him a DM and he'll take care of you. So, but I kind of want to talk about the 11 gen a little bit, because I think it's been a couple videos since we showed this car and kind of talked about it in general. But I do have Nancy here with me, who's in the car. I kind of asked her this question off camera. Why is everybody speeding today? What's up with that? What is like your goal with this car? Because obviously with me and having the Type R and the SI, those cars were like 85 full bolt-ons. The SI had a bigger turbo, so just, I'm pretty sure the people are curious to see what you want to do with this car.
I don't want to do much. I don't want to do what you do, like full bolt-ons wise, you know. Coils for exhaust, wheels. I don't know. I don't really want to touch the engine, but if I were to touch it, like front pipe, down pipe, intake, that's about it. Not going bigger turbo, not doing any of that. I feel that's pretty safe. The things that I'm doing. I mean, I drive the car every day, and it's, you know, I don't know.
Yeah, so this is pretty, like she just said, this car is pretty much her daily driver. It doesn't, she's not gonna track it. It's not gonna go too crazy. It doesn't need to go fast. Obviously, we want to make it a little bit quicker than what it is. So like Honda is in the question, and like she said, down pipe, front pipe, maybe. You know, I don't know if we're gonna do a flex fuel kit on this, but it's her daily driver. We want to keep it a reliable driver, not like the Type R where we're kind of beating it up and just having our fun with it. We're not gonna go too crazy on this. Now, if you guys know, if it was me, it'd be a different story and we'd be going crazy. But currently,
it was Brandon, it was white body kit, flares and shit, flames down the side. I don't know about that.
But yeah, like I said, we're not gonna go too crazy. But something that I do kind of want to talk about and kind of bring this up to you guys is, I'm currently in the market for a daily driver slash somewhat fun car, somewhat fun project car. I know when you think of daily driver, you think of a car that's reliable and safe. So a car that I was thinking of is a 8th Gen SI, an FA5. Currently, you can find one on the market. There's a couple out there in this area that are for sale. But if I get that car, it won't be too crazy. It's gonna be like wheels, coils, you know, maybe an exhaust, maybe Honda just to give it a little bit of push. But other than that, it's not gonna be too crazy. We're not gonna do all the stuff that crazy people do, unless we get the daily for the daily. Then we can go crazy. But currently, that's what I'm thinking of, and that's where my kind of mindset's at a little with it. If you guys are interested to kind of see that and have like a daily driver that's still fun, just let me know in the comments down below, and let me know if you guys want to see an 8th Gen on the channel, because like I said, I've wanted one for a long time. A couple of my friends have them, but they're only coupes, and I'm personally in love with a 4-door, because you can do like an FD2 conversion, which looks like the Mugen kit one. So I don't know, let me know, give this video a thumbs up, and maybe we'll get that happening. But to kind of talk about what's coming up within the next month or so, we have okay bro, serious, how can you see? If you guys are free May 7th and you guys are down to go to a show, it is going to be in Bakersfield at the Famoso Raceway. The 11th Gen and the Type R will be out there. Flyer on the screen here, so you guys can go on their Instagram, go copy yourself a ticket. I'll also have the link down below, so maybe it'll be a little bit easier. Use code DAGGER to save some money. Let me know if you guys are going, and let me know if you guys copied your ticket already. Like I said, it's May 7th at the Famoso Raceway. We'll be out there all day having some fun. Unfortunately, the Type R was going to get wrapped, but it will not be getting wrapped, only because we are in the process of getting the head gasket rebuilt, and hopefully we can have this car looking a little different too. So yeah, don't forget, link in the description, May 7th, Famoso Raceway. Hope to see you guys out there. But yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to touch base on. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of reiterate and kind of explain myself on the Type R and let you guys know what's going on with this car and the future of this car, because I know a lot of you guys are subscribed and watching because of this car, because new car, new platform, and we're excited to have this car on the channel and have a lot of fun with it. So let me know if you guys want to see the FA5 on the channel, because that will be dope.
Or a Honda Fit. Comment if you want a Honda Fit.
But yeah, I'm pretty much gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I just wanted to touch base on a little bit of things. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. It's gonna do it again. Look, it almost stalled again. It's so stupid.
I've never done that.
I've
never done that.
It just shuts off.
I
stalled the car earlier. What the fuck is this road? Yeah, make me pop a tire. We came to a light. The car was in neutral, so it shut off, did the auto start thing. Right when I stopped, the car started turning off, the light turned green, so I put the clutch in, I put it in first, and then I added all wonky donkey, and
he stalled.
And it just stalled.
I drive this car daily. I've never stalled it.
I wish you guys would have seen it. It was crazy.
I have a dash cam, they can still see it.
It was pretty crazy.
I have a dash
Look,
cam.
you're doing it again. Motherfucker.
I have a dash cam. They can still see
This
it.
auto start is boof. And I want to let you guys know that there's a button that you hit. It's right there, and boom,
There's
it's
an
off.
8 Gen SI right there.
Is there really?
Yeah.
And it's a 4-door. I told you, I'm seeing them all over the place now that I want one.
It's a sign.
It is. So.
Tell them that you want the A6 Supra for free. Look at how cutie pie. Ha ha.
But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Dab. Peace.